these circumstances, the MPC reiterated the need to continue with the disinflationary stance of withdrawal of accommodation to ensure that inflation progressively aligns to the target while supporting growth. I would now like to provide an assessment of the growth and inflation conditions in India. But before that, let me briefly touch upon the global growth scenario. Global economic outlook exhibits steady, though uneven expansion. Manufacturing is indicating slowdown while services activity is holding up. Notwithstanding sticky services prices, inflation is receding grudgingly across major economies. With varying outlook for growth and inflation across countries, monetary policy is showing signs of divergence across jurisdictions. Several central banks are cautiously moving towards policy pivots, though through forward guidance and rate cuts. While at the same time, there has been tightening by a few central banks also. So on the one hand, you have several central banks which are moving towards a rate cut scenario, but on the other hand, you have a few economies which are on a rate hike mode. Global financial markets are exhibiting volatility. Bond yields and the dollar index have softened since the last meeting of the MPC in June. While the near-term outlook looks positive, I'm talking about global growth. While the near-term outlook looks positive, there are significant challenges to medium-term global growth outlook. Demographic shifts, climate change, geopolitical tensions and fragmentations, rising public debt, and new technologies such as artificial intelligence pose new sets of challenges. A coherent policy approach in which monetary policy is complemented by other policies to manage the policy trade-offs will be crucial to deal with such multiple challenges. Let me now